contest in TLE. Let us give them a big hand. Third placer, Quiz B Araling Panlipunan. That is Alcantara Vanessa Dominic. Next, we have Onanja, Florida. Second placer, slogan making contest in TLE. Kimberly, first placer, slogan making contest in TLE. Pagtalunan, Albert John, third placer, free